More Lifestyle segment is sponsored by Mathnasium.
Well, schools in the area are reopening, and we've asked our friends from Mathnasium to provide tips to keep our skills sharp. Well, Mathnasium has highly qualified instructors available at centers throughout the area. Now, here's one of them, Jimmy, with a lesson on adding number sequences.
Hi guys, I'm Jimmy with Mathnasium. Today I'm going to teach you a couple tricks for adding number sequences. That's any list of numbers that follows a pattern. I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of number sequence addition problems, all right? So let's look at this first one. We have 7 plus 8 plus 9. So your first thought might be to ask yourself, 7 and 8 and 9 makes what? But let's see if we can move some numbers around and find a pattern. I want to make all these numbers the same because then I can use my multiplication factors. How can I do that? Let's borrow 1 from our 9 and add it right over here to our 7. Now I have 3 8s, and 8 3 times is 24. What if we work with tens in the same way? So now, just like I did before when I took 1 from my 9, I'm going to do that with my 9 tens as well. Now I have 8 tens, 8 tens, and 8 tens. That means I can ask myself again, 8 3 times is what? It's 24, just like we had before. But I'm going to add my 0 back in since we know we're working with tens instead of ones. My final answer is 240. Now I know I can take my middle number in my sequence and multiply it by the number of values in the sequence. Let's try another one where we're counting by 2s. My rule is find the middle number and multiply it by the number of values in the sequence. But look, I don't have a middle number listed. So what should I do? I'm going to think about what number is between 3 and 5. Well, that's 4. So now I know my middle number right here is 4. I'm going to ask what is 4 times because I have 4 numbers in my sequence. 4 times is 16. One cool thing about math is you can solve problems in different ways. So let's look at this sequence again. So we know it's 16, and I don't know about you guys, but I like adding by 5s. So let's see if I can make more 5s by borrowing. I'll borrow 2 of my 1s from this 7 and then add them to my 3. And now I have 5, 10, 15, plus 1 is 16. Boom. Be sure to check out mathnasium.com to see more about how you can apply number sense to addition problems with number sequences, whether you're counting by 1s, 2s, 10s, or any number. And that's what we do every day here at Mathnasium. We're changing lives through math.
All right, well, thanks so much, Jimmy. Well, in order to enroll in a program at your local Mathnasium, we recommend that you visit mathnasium.com/summer and simply type in your zip code. Now, Mathnasium has 63 locally owned locations right here in the Baltimore area.